Hey everybody, so it's St. Patrick's Day 2023 and I want to wish all of you a happy St. Patrick's Day first and foremost, and I am going to do a quick video today. I've got my Guinness and I'm going to pour me a Guinness to enjoy celebrating this day, and I'm also going to do a video on an item that I picked up back around Christmas time. And I've been waiting to open it specifically for this day. So without boring you to death with my life story, St. Patrick's Day is very special to me for a lot of reasons. It's just one of my favorite days of the spring season. And this item that I picked up back around Christmas time is also very special for me. It's something that just, it's a symbol in my life that means a lot, and when I saw this item I had to pick it up, and if you've watched my channel before, you know I enjoy items that glow in the dark, so this is right up my alley. So without further ado, I'm going to open it up. It is a item from a company called Papillon9. I will post their website in the description below, but basically I came across this item. This is a company, this Papillon9 is a company that sells, the website listed is glow in the dark jewelry. But if you check out their site, they actually have all kinds of cool items outside of the jewelry area. And the item that I came across that I really liked was their bookmarks. They've got a lot of really nice bookmarks, but one of them in particular is a bookmark that is in the symbol of a phoenix. And the phoenix is something that just really means a lot to me in my life. And what was great with this bookmark is not only is it a phoenix, but it also is a phoenix with a feather attached to the bookmark. And if you can see in this video, this is actually a necklace that I wear. If I can get my camera to focus, this is a necklace I wear on a regular basis that also has a feather on it as well. So anyway, when I saw this bookmark, it was kind of perfect for me and everything that, you know, different things that represent a lot in my life. So it's a bookmark that has a phoenix and has a feather. This is the first time I've ever opened it. Papillon9 is a company that is based in Canada, and I can tell you I did correspond with, I believe, the owner of the company. I think she operates this company out of her own home, and she partners with her daughter who helps her out, is the way it sounded on the website. But these guys were super nice and a lot of fun to work with and just really nice. And I'm going to show you, this is the card that shows their site and a little bit more information about them. So again, I'll write all this stuff in the description. But they do make custom jewelry, and most of their items, if not all of their items, are glow in the dark. So again, this bookmark, I just really loved the phoenix and feather design. And there it is in person. So a couple things with this bookmark. Wow, this is really nice. It came in a few different color combinations and also glow in the dark combinations. So the one that I picked up is the rose gold version. I'm just gonna get so this is the rose gold version, and I'm hoping my camera's picking this up okay. Rose gold version, obviously the feather, the phoenix, and then the back side of it, and I'll show you the back side of the phoenix as well. So I just thought it was a really cool bookmark, and again, because the phoenix and the feather are just some items that have always represented a lot to me in my life, I just thought this was perfect to pick up. Really nicely made. Again, it comes with a nice little presentation bag. They did send what looks like a blue light for charging it up to get it to glow in the dark. I've also got a light here that I can use as well for that. So I'll show it glowing in the dark, but really nice. Well made, and again, I think this is all done by hand by the owner of the company in her shop in Canada. So, you know, it's just very unique, not something that you're going to be able to find anywhere else. So with that in mind, I'm going to sit it down. I'm going to charge it with the black light. I'm going to move all this stuff out of the way here so we can get the full effect of how well it glows. Grab a drink real quick. But again, on my channel, I always focus on items that I love that glow in the dark. This is the first item I picked up in a while. When I saw this, I just had to have it. Now, I will say they make a silver version of this as well, and you can get the glow in the dark colors to be different. I think the one that I have is like red and orange and white, but I think they also had like a blue green. You can kind of customize this a lot of different ways. But with that said, I'm going to kill the lights. We're going to charge it up and let's see how well it glows. And I'll give it a good charge here, and then I'll cut off the light so you can really tell the intensity. As much as I love glow-in-the-dark items, this is one, even when it's not glowing, I think it's just awesome. And I'm really happy with this. It turned out beautifully. They did a great job with this. All right, I'm going to cut the light off, and let's take a look at the glow. Yeah, how cool is that? Nice orange glow, orange and blue on the Phoenix. And again, I charged just that one side. So if you flip it over, the other side is probably not going to be glowing, or not glowing as intensely. But it glows really well. And it's not losing any of its glow either. I mean, if you can, hopefully I'm holding this still enough, but you can tell it's staying nicely lit. And I'm just going to hit it again just to show it. And again, this is with a black light. You know, if you had it in natural light and sunlight, it's probably going to glow even brighter than this. But the glow quality on it is really nice. So all in all, I just wanted to do a video. I always like unboxing new items when I get them. And again, I purposely waited for St. Patrick's Day because it is such a special day for me to wait to open this. But wanted to show it off. There wasn't a whole lot on YouTube talking about this company or their items, so I thought this might be helpful if anybody else is shopping on their website. But couldn't be happier with the way this turned out. It was worth the wait. It took them a little while to make it. Again, all of this stuff is done by them, you know, in their shop, so it takes some time. And then by the time it was shipped down to me from Canada, it was definitely worth the wait, and it was worth the wait for me to wait to open it on St. Patrick's Day. But really happy with this item and the quality, and again, the owner of the company was awesome to work with. You know, really happy to be one of their customers. So hope this video helps you out. If there's anything that I can answer about it in the future as you watch this video, that would be awesome. If the video was helpful, if you could hit the like button, that would be great as well. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I will give you one last cheers. Thanks for watching. Take care.